The upper blower tube is attached to your blower's impeller housing. The lower tube is attached to it. The upper tube is typically replaced due to accidental damage, or if the lower tube attachment point wears, so it will no longer hold the tube securely. Replacing the upper blower tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the lower tube from the upper tube. To remove the lower tube, I'll rotate it counterclockwise to unlock it. Now I can pull the lower tube away from the upper tube. The upper tube is clamped to the impeller housing with this bolt. I'll use a socket to release the bolt. Now I can pull the upper tube away from the housing. Now I can install the new upper tube. You'll notice there's a J-hook molded into the plastic. I'll align the hook with the clamp bolt. And I'll slide the tube into the housing. Now I'll lock the tube in place with the bolt. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the lower tube. And that's how simple it is to replace the upper blower tube on your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.